Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would love to show you this exceptional watch. Elmar just finished restoration, and inside it was a mess. Some teeth of the chronograph wheel were just gone. Some screws were missing. It was, well, a huge job. Elmar did it. Elmar saved the day. But I would like to show you what is going on because it's a lot. Just the outside, titanium, and here the straight graining on top, bicolor. But the star of the show is the movement. Here the day of the week, month, date, and Moonphase, chronograph, so triple date, vol calendar, chronograph, automatic, and Zenith. It's got the beautiful El Primero, and this is the high beat, 36,000 beats an hour, and that means 10 ticks and tocks a second, and that's why here the chronograph is on a tenth of a second. But now the inside, it is simple. Wrong camera. It is beautiful. The El Primero, of course, being used in Daytona as well. And let's see if we can get the camera working here. Chronograph. This is the drive wheel, always running, because underneath it is on the same axle, the same pivot as that wheel, so it is coaxial. That wheel is always running and then engaging on the inside. There we go. Disengaged, engaged. The lovely high beat. The 410. There is so much going on. I just wanted to show the inside of this beautiful El Primero. It's running in perfection, and I really do hope you enjoyed it. See ya. Bye bye.